Step into Dublin, where the stories never end. A city of legends, old and new, around every bend. We'll show you.
Yeah, off office now, out of office now. Hey everyone. Hey, today happens to be Friday here in Dublin and the weather is really looking good. That's just my office right behind there, and I have finished work early today. So guess where I'm heading to? The iconic Guinness Storehouse in Dublin, Ireland's most famous stout home. Come on, join me, let's go have a look. Guinness Storehouse, get a beautiful Friday here in Dublin. Here we go.
Show you the icons, the hidden gems too. Feel the heartbeat of Dublin in everything we do.
So now we're gonna get on the big bus, and this big bus is gonna take us around the city. We're gonna go to every iconic spot. All you have to do is to hop off and explore.
Journey beyond dreams, come travel with us today. Hey, JBD Travel will guide you every step of the way. Whoa. Need a visa to Ireland or a Dublin city tour? Contact JBD Travel, your journey starts. Your journey starts with more.
Guinness Storehouse. This is gate number 1. Look, it's gonna blow your mind by the time we get to the 7th floor. Come on, come along with me, let's have a look. Hey folks, so already you can see the number of buses and vans parked here. It tells you the number of tourists in there just experiencing the Guinness Storehouse moment. Now join me, let's have a look with Journey Beyond Dreams.
Journey starts, your journey.
So when you get to the Guinness Storehouse, it's not just about the Guinness Storehouse, it's also about having some horse ride in the town. It's amazing, it's affordable, and it's fun. You have to join it. It's a journey beyond dreams.
Raise a glass at the Guinness Storehouse where Dublin's pride flows. Splash through the city on
Storehouse from Dublin City. We're talking about O'Connell Street. You could come with the Dublin hopper bus. You could also get here with big bus. You could also get here with Sightseeing. So basically, you are driving through the city and you are dropping and hopping off every iconic spot. And look, Guinness Storehouse can never be left out, and here we are. Come on, let's go in.
Raise a glass at the Guinness Storehouse where Dublin's pride flows. Splash through the city on the Dublin Splash Tour as your adventure grows. Hop aboard the big bus, see Dublin from every side, or ride the city sightseeing. Hop on Hopland, sit in pride. Hop off with comfort and pride.
You see the amount of tourists entering the Guinness Storehouse, and most of these tourists behind me are coming all the way from China. It's amazing how iconic the Guinness Storehouse.
Raise a glass at the Guinness Storehouse where Dublin's pride flows. Splash through the city on the Dublin Splash Tour as your adventure grows. Hop aboard the big bus, see Dublin from every side, or ride the city sightseeing. Hop on Hopland, sit in pride. Hop off with comfort and pride. Journey beyond dreams, come travel with us today. Hey, JBD Travel will guide you every step of the way. Whoa. Need a visa to Ireland or a Dublin city tour? Contact JBD Travel, your journey starts. Your journey.
Right now, I'm stationed in Temple Bar, inside Temple Street, here in Dublin. You cannot come to Ireland. You cannot step in Dublin without stepping in Temple Bar. It is one of the most iconic joints you have to visit. Right from Guinness Storehouse, please pass by Temple Bar Dublin.
Journey starts, your journey starts with more. Walk through Temple Bar, where music fills the air. Hidden streets and friendly smiles are waiting everywhere. From history to culture, every corner has a tale. Dublin's charm and beauty will never fail. When the sun goes down, the city comes alive. O'Connell Street shines with energy and vibrant nightlife.
The beauty of Dublin and the beauty of Temple Bar is not just about the drink and the stuff. Look at the beautiful and amazing horse they're right behind me. You can ride these horse in the street and also in the city.
It starts, your journey starts with more. Walk through Temple Bar, where music fills the air. Hidden streets and friendly smiles are waiting everywhere. From history to culture, every corner has a tale. Dublin's charm and beauty will never fail. When the sun goes down, the city comes alive. O'Connell Street shines with energy and vibrant nightlife.
Again, when you are in Temple Bar, you would have to go in Hard Rock. You just can't bypass Hard Rock when you are in Temple Bar. Come on.
Street performers, cafes, lights and laughter all around. Every step through Dublin brings another treasure found. Journey beyond dreams, come travel with us today. Hey, explore the best of Dublin in a fun and memorable way.
After a very good day in Temple Bar, you might as well walk into Carol's, where you get your Irish gift, your Irish souvenirs. You cannot come to Dublin Island and not get anything from Carol's. You might as well not come here.
To Ireland or a guided Dublin tour, get in touch with JBD Travel. Journey beyond dreams. Journey beyond dreams. Discover Dublin. Experience Ireland. Travel with confidence. JBD Travel.
In Dublin, you get everything you want. I took you to the Guinness Storehouse, and right behind me here is Henneken. So if you don't want the stout, you've got some beer right in the city center.
Discover Dublin. Experience Ireland. Travel with confidence. JBD Travel. Journey beyond dreams. Journey beyond dreams.
Everything here in Dublin, that is your Dublin Splash Pass. It takes you right from the road into the river bodies here. You can't exist having fun in Dublin. Come on, JBD Travel is your best travel pass. Oh my, you can't believe it. It's such a very good Friday. Right from bank in the office, I am on the phone having a good time in Dublin. Because in Ireland, you hardly find a very good day and a very good weather like this. It's been raining a couple of days now, even though we are in summer. Here we are down here in O'Connell Street.
Step into Dublin, where the stories never end. A city of legends, old and new, around every bend. We'll show you the icons, the hidden gems too. Feel the heartbeat of Dublin in everything we do. Journey beyond dreams, come travel with us today. Hey, JBD Travel will guide you every step of the way. Need a visa to Ireland or a Dublin city tour? Contact JBD Travel, your journey starts. Your journey starts with more. Raise a glass at the Guinness Storehouse, where Dublin's pride flows. Splash through the city on the Dublin Splash Tour as your adventure grows. Hop aboard the big bus, see Dublin from every side, or ride the city sightseeing, hop on Hopland, sit in pride. Hop off with comfort and pride. Journey beyond dreams, come travel with us today. Hey, JBD Travel will guide you every step of the way. Need a visa to a Dublin city tour. Contact JBD Travel, your journey starts. Your journey starts with more. Walk through Temple Bar, where music fills the air. Hidden streets and friendly smiles are waiting everywhere. From history to culture, every corner has a tale. Dublin's charm and beauty will never fail. When the sun goes down.
Hey buddies, we are still in O'Connell Street now, the high street here in Dublin. Look, you cannot also come to Dublin and not go into Pennies. Pennies it is called because everything there is affordable. It is made in Ireland clothing, fashion style, very affordable. If you go to the UK, they call it Primark, but it is Irish trademark. Come on, let's hop in.
All around, every step through Dublin brings another treasure found. Journey beyond dreams, come travel with us today. Hey, explore the best of Dublin in a fun and memorable way. Need a visa to Ireland or a guided Dublin tour? Get in touch with JBD Travel. Journey beyond dreams. Journey beyond dreams. Discover Dublin. Experience Ireland. Travel with confidence. JBD Travel. Journey beyond dreams. Journey beyond dreams.
So I'm standing right here in front of the General Post Office in Dublin. Yes. So still on O'Connell Street, as you can see, there is a very tall obelisk behind me, and that is what we call the spire. The spire. You can see it is tall and very tall. Unfortunately, you cannot see the height in camera. You have to be in Ireland. That is the spire. It spires everywhere in Ireland, and it sees every corner in Dublin. Ireland, high-tech country. Did you know that Ireland is the third richest country in the world as per GDP? Why? Because Ireland is king in technology. Not only that, and in pharmaceuticals. That is Ireland for you. Yes, so still on Grafton Street now. We have just negotiated into Grafton Street from O'Connell Street. And look, I'm bringing you right here to City Sightseeing in Dublin. Here we get our ticket for the hop on hop off bus, and this takes you everywhere, any point of attraction here in Dublin. So hey, like I said, from Guinness Storehouse, Temple Bar, O'Connell Street, and here we are in Grafton Street. High Street is a shopping street right here in O'Connell Street. You get every up-to-date fashion designer you want. Come on, get
Step
down.
into Dublin, where the stories never end. A city of legends, old and new, around every bend. We'll show you the icons, the hidden gems too. Feel the heartbeat of Dublin in everything we do. Journey beyond dreams, come travel with us today. Hey, JBD Travel will guide you every step of the way. Need a visa to Ireland or a Dublin city tour? Contact JBD Travel, your journey starts. Your journey starts with more. Raise a glass at the Guinness Storehouse, where Dublin's pride flows. Splash through the city on the Dublin Splash Tour as your adventure grows. Hop aboard the big bus, see Dublin from every side, or ride the city sightseeing, sing hop on Hopland, sit in pride. Hop off with comfort and pride.